Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Gladly Christy Gloria Tampi from Department Information System, Faculty Mathematics and Science from Samratulangi University in Manado. So I will show you the my animation, and I will show you how I make the animation. So this is my animation. The the theme my animation is flying hummingbird on flower. So that is my animation is 3 minutes long. So now I will show you how I work on making the animation. So I made the animation using Macromedia Phase A. Oh, so this is my animation collection process. Mm. So first of all, the background image and birds from the animation I took from Google. But for the background, I edit to be more flower. I edit from my phone, use the Inkspan application, and then I move it to my laptop. So how to make is it it by clicking it's by clicking on the fresh document, then so that the appears canvas appears. Then on our mouse right click, document properties, background color, blue. Oh, okay. This is the display for the background at beginning of the at the beginning of my animation. That background the background is to describe a sky. Then add then insert layer for the bird. And then after then add uh, bird's image by clicking file upper left in the upper left corner. Uh, then click import to library. Then after importing the image will appear in the library here, so that the bird can. So to make the bird can move, we click the first image bird, then click and drag in onto the canvas then click free from transform tools and scale option. Then insert layer insert frame in layer for the bird. Insert keyframe. Oh, remove frame. After add the image, we click right on the mouse, then convert to symbol bird one. Okay. Then uh, click double click on the bird to enter the scene one. Then after that, insert keyframe. After insert the keyframe, we delete the image bird on delete it on keyboard. The delete from keyboard. Then we add image to like before to uh to adjust the size of the first burst image early. The way to see the first burst image to is to click on the onion skin. Yep, that is. Oh, yep. Then add more insert keyframe again. Click the image, the third image like before. Oh, this we delete. Uh, And for the last image, uh, we after at the third image, insert keyframe again. And for the last image, no need to more in our frame, insert keyframe. Oh, the third image we deleted before, yeah, like before. Yep. So that is after that double click on or double click to just double click the outside bird in the outside bird image. Yep. So we get out of the scene. Then to move it, we click insert keyframe in frame 50. Uh, Click by right click on the mouse, insert keyframe. Then we move the bird to the on other side like this. Yes. Then right click on the mouse on the frame bird, click create motion twin, click enter on the keyboard to see the result. Okay. So that is to make the background too. I um, to make the second background in the flower garden. I create a new flash document. Okay, to make it easier for me. Then to add the background the same as add image birth image. Okay, open like before. Yep. Oh, cancel. Yep. Then so this is the background. I took this background from the Google. Then I edit it to add more flower. Then add a layer for the bird. Then we enter the bird and make it as before. We just copy the bird, copy the bird frame, copy frames, then paste frame. So, oh, add insert keyframe on the layer one for the background. So this, so this is yeah. So To make the bird move to flower, just copy the bird and add more layer. Insert keyframe, yep. Insert keyframe again. The layer background. Insert keyframe at 100. Insert keyframe, yep. Ini move, yep. So pass the bird before. Install. Then move the bird. Then add insert keyframe and move the bird on the flower. Yep. Then right click on the mouse and create motion. See the result? Yep. Then add more insert key again. Insert keyframe again. The background tool. To see to make the bird move just one on the plate in the place like that. Yep. And insert keyframe again. The background to insert in frame 200 keyframe. Okay. The bird. Then the layer for the bird, we insert keyframe again on the same as background, and then we move the bird like this. Right click on the mouse and create motion twin like this. The half of so that is the how I make my animation. Uh, thank you. Uh, thank you for watching.